Tata Steel has rehabilitated and resettled all the families displaced for construction of its multi-crore integrated steel plant at Kalinganagar in Jajpur district. It has also ensured the improved lifestyle for every family displaced for the project. Tata Steel has provided all the amenities in the rehabilitated village to all the families who have been accepted as members of Tata family. All-round development of these families have been given importance. Under this program, women empowerment in the Tata Steel family colony finds utmost priority. Encouraged by Tata Steel, as many as 60 women SSGs have been formed in these colonies. More than 600 families have joined in these SSGs. These women have been made income worthy by providing them training in poultry farming, goatery, vegetable cultivating, sewing, stone work, etc. In the preceding years, 22 women SSGs in the TSP colony have transacted more than 377 lakh rupees and could save more than 9 lakh rupees. Among the women SSGs working in TSP colonies, Divya Jyoti SSG functioning in Sanasailu colony has got the status of the most ideal SSG in the whole Jajpur district. Some women formed this SG in 2007 under the aegis of Tata Steel, taking the local demand and availability of raw materials into the consideration, where they were inspired to prepare pickles. Tata Steel also provided them with necessary training and other amenities. They are now preparing different kinds of pickles and sauce under Ma brand and selling it in the market. It has got a good demand in the local market. Members of Divya Jyoti SSG are also generating a good income for this. Tata Steel is encouraging the women and girls of Srijangavan colony of Kalinganagar TSP to utilize their spare time to income for their families. Keeping this mission in mind, a tailoring center is established in this colony. This center is inspiring the women to be find some time off from their household chores and utilize it to be self-sufficient. Interested women and girls are getting training from the expert trainers engaged by Tata Steel. The trainees of this center also stitching dress materials for the colony people and preparing school uniform as well. They have got dress order from 10 nearby schools. Apart from dress making, these women have also strengthened their income path by learning the intricate art of embroidery.
14-15 जन काम करते ड्रेस अनुसार पैसा मिलছে जिते फीस करूँ से टका पाइबे एमती काम कले 2000-2500 भीतर होचे.
In the Trijanga TSP permanent colony, Tata Steel has opened an Adivasi painting center. This center is engaged in imparting training to the interested women, the unique Saura art painting, which has made them income worthy. Around 30 women and girls come daily to this center and get training from competent trainers. Tata Steel is providing all necessary ingredients for this work. Trained artists are now making attracting Saura paintings in this center. It has got a high demand in local as well as international market. These attractive Saura paintings have been included in the Tata Steel corporate gift lists.
बड़का समय घरे जाई बसी करी हबो करिकी निजे माने किछि रोजगार भी करि परिबो जो बाकी समय घरे आमे बसे किछि करूने से समय रे आमे सोरा पेंटिंग द्वारा आमे साड़ी रे की कोनोसी बेडशीट कपड़ा रे चित्र करिया द्वारा हम दी पैसा मिलिबो और हम रोजगार भी हबो.
Under the aegis of TSRDs, so women SHGs had been formed in Sukinda area. Tata Steel is taking necessary steps to market the commodity produced by these SSGs. Arrangements have been made to sell them in the local market and their fairs organized by ORMAS at different places. Tata Steel also makes special arrangements to sell the products made by Kalinganagar SSGs in the state level Adivasi fair held every year in Bhubaneswar. Women SSGs join the fair with their products and have a good sell every year. Tata Steel is also working for women empowerment programs in the peripheral villages of Gopalpur in Ganjam district. Encouraged by Tata Steel, as many as 27 SSGs have been formed in this locality. Company's Rural Development Week TSRDs is providing multi-pronged training to the women members of those SSGs and thus made them earning members for their families. In the rehabilitation colony at Gopalpur, a special training center has been established in this regard. Expert trainers and imparting sewing training to the interested women and girls there. Their training starts from blackboard and paper drawing. Then they acquire the intricate art of sewing and designing. These trainees are preparing dress materials for nearby school children and have got an order from a school in Bhubaneswar. This sewing work has become good source of their income. To give shelter to the destitute people of Gopalpur locality, Tata Steel has opened a shelter house, Shraddha Ashraya, in rehabilitation colony. 10 men, women and physically challenged destitutes of nearby villages are now living honorably in this center. Tata Steel is providing all the facilities for their fooding and stay. The company has entrusted the management of Shraddha Ashraya to the Ma Shantimai Women SSG of Nuwa Barapura. As a result of the members of these SSGs have got the noble act of serving the old and destitute. By doing this, they also earn nearby 30,000 rupees per month. The whole country now lays stress on women empowerment. By encouraging the SSGs in Orissa to start their own business, Tata Steel is truly doing a women's service.